Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, whoever is watching this video. This is my final farewell to this good-looking black dress shirt and suit and tie. Most of you have probably never seen me in this before, but I just want to say that this is going to the Harvey people, the people that have been affected by the hurricane over in Houston. I just want to say that even though this dress shirt and this suit never really scored me a lot of girls, I hope that this helps a very lucky boy in Houston look sharp. I also want to say that my mother and father took the time to buy this for me. And, well, to this day, I don't know if any girl ever looked at this suit and tie and said, "Man, Trey, that's cute." I guess we'll never find that out. I wish I could wear this outside one last time and be like, "Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, you want to go and lay some eggs?" Yeah, but those days are over, so I just hope that this inspires another boy. I hope that this shirt helps another boy in Houston look sharp, friendly, and find love. This is Trey Brown with his final farewell to this outfit. Bye-bye and farewell to you all.